Transforming old timber into chic plant displays for modern homes is more than an exercise in design. It is a statement about how timeless craftsmanship, rustic appeal, and eco-conscious living intersect to create decor that is both meaningful and marketable. Old timber, with its weathered textures, deep grains, and scars from time, holds a character that new wood simply cannot replicate, and when it is reimagined as a plant display, it bridges the natural world with interior design in a way that feels fresh yet timeless. The process of taking discarded or forgotten wood and turning it into functional art resonates deeply with modern homeowners because it reflects a philosophy of renewal, authenticity, and individuality. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of decor ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of chic wooden plant displays design ideas that redefine rustic living from old timber. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Rustic woodworking continues to captivate hearts and homes because it refuses to chase fleeting trends. Instead, it grounds itself in values that people crave in their living spaces: warmth, imperfection that tells a story, and a connection to nature. A timber-based plant display, whether it's a reclaimed beam turned into a vertical garden stand, a hollowed-out log repurposed into a planter, or shelves crafted from salvaged planks to showcase greenery, does more than hold plants. It creates an environment, a sense of life within the home that embodies both sustainability and style. Buyers are drawn to these creations because they fulfill a deeper need for decor that feels real, organic, and inspiring, blending the rustic charm of old wood with the vitality of plants to bring spaces alive in ways that store-bought, mass-produced items cannot. The beauty of using old timber for plant displays lies in its inherent narrative. Every knot, curve, and crack in the wood becomes part of the design, reminding the viewer that this piece once lived another life, perhaps as part of a farmhouse beam, a fence post, or a floorboard, before being reborn as a new treasure. This narrative quality is what makes rustic woodworking timeless. It tells stories that modern homes are hungry for. In an era where interiors are often filled with uniformity and sterile minimalism, the presence of rustic elements like aged timber reconnects people to authenticity. Plant displays crafted from reclaimed wood do not just serve a functional role, they elevate the atmosphere, creating warmth and grounding modern decor with natural beauty. When people see these displays in a home, they feel an emotional connection because the piece embodies sustainability, creativity, and life. It becomes a conversation starter, a symbol of conscious design choices, and a celebration of how rustic artistry can breathe life into even the simplest materials. This is why rustic woodworking continues to resonate across generations and cultures, because it gives people more than furniture or decor, it gives them meaning. Moreover, the rustic charm of timber-based plant displays aligns perfectly with the global movement toward eco-conscious living. As sustainability becomes a priority for more households, the appeal of upcycled, repurposed, and reclaimed materials grows exponentially. Old timber, instead of being discarded or left to rot, is given a second life, reducing waste while creating something beautiful and functional. Buyers are increasingly attracted to this eco-friendly narrative because it allows them to make design choices that align with their values. When they purchase or display rustic wooden plant stands, shelves, or holders, they are making a statement that they care about the environment while still enjoying chic, stylish decor. This marriage of sustainability and beauty is at the core of why rustic woodworking has such enduring appeal. It provides not only aesthetic satisfaction, but also emotional fulfillment by allowing people to live in alignment with their values. For creators, this means their work is not only profitable but also impactful, tapping into a consumer base that is actively seeking decor with purpose. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Plant displays made from old timber also thrive because of their versatility. They can be crafted in endless forms, from minimalist wall-mounted shelves that showcase succulents to elaborate rustic ladder-style stands that hold cascading greenery, each tailored to fit modern spaces. This adaptability allows rustic woodworking to remain relevant across design trends, seamlessly blending with industrial, bohemian, farmhouse, or even sleek modern interiors. The rustic element softens sharper design lines and provides a natural counterbalance to glass, metal, and concrete, creating spaces that feel inviting rather than cold. Homeowners love this effect because it makes their interiors feel more personal, lived in, and welcoming. Unlike mass-produced plant holders that lack individuality, each rustic timber display carries its own character, ensuring that no two homes look exactly alike. This uniqueness is priceless in today's market, where personalization is key and buyers are searching for pieces that make their spaces stand out. The emotional pull of rustic woodworking is another reason why it continues to captivate. When someone looks at a plant display made from reclaimed timber, they see more than decor. They see history, craftsmanship, and creativity woven together. The combination of wood and plants, two natural elements, creates a calming atmosphere, one that offers balance in a world that is often fast-paced and overwhelming. These displays remind people to slow down, to reconnect with nature, and to surround themselves with materials that carry life and soul. Rustic woodworking in this form is therapeutic both for the maker, who breathes new life into discarded timber, and for the owner, who gets to enjoy the finished piece in their daily environment. This sense of connection explains why rustic woodworking has endured not as a fleeting design fad, but as a lasting tradition that evolves with the times while staying true to its roots. For aspiring entrepreneurs and DIY enthusiasts, transforming old timber into chic plant displays also presents incredible opportunities. The growing demand for rustic, eco-friendly decor means that there is a ready market eager for creations that feel authentic and sustainable. Each piece sold is not just a transaction, but a chance to connect with buyers on a deeper level by offering them something that aligns with their values and enhances their homes. Unlike generic furniture stores, creators working with old timber can tell the story behind each piece, adding to its value and uniqueness. This story-driven approach makes rustic woodworking not only profitable, but also deeply rewarding because it combines artistry with entrepreneurship and sustainability with style. Ultimately, the reason rustic woodworking, and especially projects like timber-based plant displays, continues to captivate hearts and homes is because it offers so much more than beauty. It offers authenticity in a world hungry for it, sustainability in a market that values responsibility, and uniqueness in homes that seek character. Old timber reborn into plant displays becomes more than decor. It becomes a statement of values, a conversation piece, and a celebration of timeless artistry. By embedding rustic charm into these projects, creators ensure that their work resonates far beyond trends, tapping into something universal: the human desire to connect with nature, history, and meaning in the spaces we call home. Rustic woodworking is timeless because it transcends aesthetics. It is about warmth, storytelling, and the ability to transform what was once overlooked into something cherished. And as long as people seek homes that feel personal, soulful, and grounded, rustic woodworking will continue to thrive, with old timber plant displays standing as perfect examples of why this craft remains as captivating today as it has for generations. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked chic wooden plant displays design ideas that redefine rustic living from old timber. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.